very good morning.
Good morning.
Are we fresh?
Yes.
Up for the challenges coming today?
Yes.
Eager to listen what is going to happen, seminar session, everything?
Yes.
Only they are ready. What about these two rows?
Yes.
Yes. Why so no yes? Something, come on. Tell me a good yes. Yes!
Yes.
Okay. So guys, first day we learned about, how to, gel up, team building. We did one of the practices about that. And we saw some of the parts like Saturday Fest, business activity. Okay. We got into depth about it, Saturday Fest and all. Second day, like yesterday, we spoke about curriculum and syllabus. Okay. But today we will talk about which is the most important thing, that is discipline. Okay. And the committees. Right? Okay. So, Himanshu, can you tell about the...
Yes. So we have a Senate Council for the college. The Senate, it's a hierarchy wherein we form committees, and each person and each student is required to be a part of the Senate. You have to be at least in one of the committees and take responsibility and take part in anything and everything that the institution is a part of. Right? Karthik? The Senate it works on a hierarchy. The GS, there's the GS, the female GS and the male GS, and there's the CP, the chairpersons, the VCPs, and then the CRs of your class. After that, we have various committees, like there's a social committee, then there's an IT committee, sports committee, cultural committee, event committees. We have anti-ragging committees, anti-sexual harassment committees. Anti-ragging and anti-sexual harassment committees will be people, he might be your best friend also, but you might not know that he is in the committee. There are such committees, but they are undercover. So you need to know about it. So anti-ragging, the first thing that we did on the first day, that was a part of ragging, but we disclosed it to you all, so it wasn't actually ragging. So be careful, guys. Nothing that sort of, because you all have already submitted affidavits from the court, anti-ragging. Okay, and one more thing I want to tell you all is everybody interested in being a part of the committee?
Yes.
Yes? According to your interests. Ma'am, can you just tell them more about
I'm sorry, I just entered.
I told them about the committees,
Okay.
the hierarchy, and everybody is required to be a part of the committee.
Now this committee, Students' Council, they have named it as a Senate.
Senate.
Okay. Now basic thing why the students have done this committee is one is for discipline, and second is it's a bridge between the management and you students. So there has to be somebody, if there is any problems with you students, it has to get connected to the management or to the professors. So this committee is decided. Now this committee has, there are many hierarchies in this. Usually when you come into the second year, you take a major part of it. And the first year students are a buddy along with the second year students. So they understand what exactly this committee does and how it runs. Now, we expect every student in at least one committee to be a part of it. Right? Now, have you told them which are the different committees? We will be discussing about the committees. If you students have any other ideas that you want to put extra committees into it, we are open for it because it is a Students' Council. From the faculty side, I am a part of Students' Council, and from the non-teaching staff there is Yatin sir. I am sure everybody must have met Yatin sir. He is also a part of it. When there is a meeting, the heads of the committees come meet, plus with the whoever is who is the first hierarchy is GS.
GS, then the CPs.
Put it. Because even I don't know what hierarchy the students want. The General Secretary.